today we're gonna make chicken Bolognese spaghetti. So first of all, we'll need 400 grams of spaghetti. You need to boil them and drain them, but make sure not to pour away the water. And this is about 430 grams of tomato puree. This is 1 large chopped onions. This is 5 cloves of garlic finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of paprika, 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 2 sprigs of fresh thyme. This is a mixture of 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of basil, and 1 teaspoon of thyme. And this is about 5 to 6 pieces of tomatoes chopped. And this is about 500 grams of minced chicken. And here we have parmesan for the topping later on. This is 1 liter of water and 1 packet of spaghetti to be cooked together, and also seasoned with 1 teaspoon of salt. You need to let them simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes until they are cooked. So here's the pasta that has been cooked. So now we need to drain them in the colander, and do not pour away the water. Okay, so here we'll drain the pasta. Here we're gonna heat up about 1 tablespoon of oil and 50 grams of butter, and then we'll add these chopped onions into it to stir fry until they are softened. Once your onion have cooked, you can add in the garlic and the mixed herbs to stir fry. Add in your paprika powder. Next, you would want to add in your minced chicken to stir fry until they are slightly cooked. Now that the chicken is cooked already, so you need to put in your chopped tomatoes. Now pour in the balsamic vinegar. Next is the tomato puree. So stir it well, make sure they are well combined. At this point, you will want to add a teaspoon of salt to taste. After this, you can let it simmer with the cover on for about 15 to 20 minutes to let it soften, and the chicken will excrete more juice. Okay, so once the tomato has softened a little bit, we'll pour in the pasta water earlier. This will help thicken the broth. Give it a good stir and let it simmer for another 15 minutes. Okay, so this is our chicken spaghetti.